So, what you're seeing right now is the real time collaboration and brainstorming of the Monday.com whiteboard. Here's how you do it. So, from your Monday.com workspace, you need to click plus button with the add view. Next, choose whiteboard from your list. Inside the whiteboard is that you can see a start sketching ideas, mapping workflows, or adding sticky notes, not just like a physical board. So, for instance, this is actually a sticky note which your colleagues have with everyone who has an account. So everyone gonna have an access to this. It is also totally free, see right here, but inclusions may have limits because they have a subscription plan which you can add more features to your work. So it's literally just like an online source when you have a whiteboard, and it is pretty easy to use.